everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I got my Boxycharm add-ons in the mail. If you guys want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, before I start showing you guys what I got, I just wanted to take the time to welcome anyone who's new to my channel. Welcome, my name is Aisha. I do all things makeup related on this channel, mostly makeup subscription boxes because I love trying new products out, beauty products in particular, and I do lots of makeup hauls on this channel as well. If this is things that you enjoy watching, then I would say consider subscribing to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a new video. And if you like my video and you want to show some support, feel free to thumbs up as well. Alrighty, so after getting that all out the way, now it's time, without further ado, to show you guys what I actually bought. So, if those of you who are not familiarized with like Boxycharm's add-ons or pop-ups, it's pretty much where you get stuff on sale. They're like 80% off. And you can only buy these sale items if you are like a Boxycharm subscription member. So somebody can't just log on to Boxycharm and buy these items. You have to be a Boxycharm subscriber. I am a Boxycharm subscriber. I'm subscribed to Boxycharm, the base box, the premium box, and the luxe box. So with that being said, they let you buy sale items right after you pick your choice. So after I picked my premium choice or base box, they let you pick some add-ons, and these are the things that I got. So here's a quick little sneak peek. Alrighty, now let's dig in. We had the option to sometimes they let you buy like older Boxycharm boxes. So I got it. I think it was like a smash box. Which one did I get? I'm sorry, I gotta check to see what I got. I don't even remember what I bought. So that's what it looks like. Oh, it was a Marc Jacob. There was a Marc Jacob. I forgot how much I paid for this though. It was definitely on sale, but I don't remember. That's a bad thing about you order these things so far in advance that like you don't remember what you got. But they had one for for Marc Jacobs. They had one like Smashbox, and they had one for another brand, but I don't remember what other brand it was. I had it in my cart, and by the time I checked out, it was sold out. So I was really bummed about that. I want to say it was like a Morphe box. They had a Morphe one, a Marc Jacob one. I guess this is what was left over. I don't know, but I missed out on that. But nevertheless, at least I got one of the boxes. I didn't want to get the Smashbox box because I have a lot of stuff from that brand. I don't own anything. I only have like one lip gloss I want to say that I got from Boxycharm, but I don't really have a lot of stuff from them. So let's see what they gave me in this box. So the first thing I got was this Marc Jacob Omega eyeshadow. It says gel eyeshadow. Alright, so gel eyeshadow, interesting. So it had this little Marc Jacob thing over it. It says Omega eyeshadow, but the color is not cute. I'm not here for this color. Let me cover the mirror up so you guys can see. It's like a brown. Who wears like a brown eyeshadow on their like? No. Gel powder eyeshadow. Not thrilled with the first thing I got, but nevertheless, beggars can't be choosers. That's the whole point of a mystery box. The next thing I got is a High Shine lip gloss lacquer. Please don't be the color that I got already in my Boxycharm box. Let's see here. Oh, good. This wasn't a color I got. It's like a corally color. Ooh, this is like, talk about coral. Now, most people would not be happy that they got this color, but your girl Aisha, one thing you should know about Aisha, she is not scared to wear color. And orange doesn't scare me. No lip color does. I'll wear blue, I'll wear green, I'll wear purple, I'll wear any color. So I'm going to rock this and rock it proud. Stay tuned for this. The next thing I got is a Marc Jacob eyeliner. This is a fine liner. I don't know why it's so hard to get everything out the boxes. Oh, I love the packaging. Oh, I do not like the color though. It's like a lavender-ish color. Like, who would wear lavender liner? I mean, I'm not scared of color from my lips, but the eyes, I feel like this is very interesting. I don't even know how I would wear this color. This is what the color looks like. This is eyeliner, right? No, where's the box for this? Gel eyeliner, eye crayon. All right, nobody would be happy to get this color. I should have put it in the middle. Nobody will be happy to get this color as an eyeliner. Like, who wears like a light color like this on their eyes? I don't know, but beggars can't be choosers, so I guess I'll have to make it work. The next thing I got is a tightening and eye mask by the brand Symbiosis London. So the eye cream is the only thing where I'm not that like thrilled to get. And I got a BDB, Billion Dollar Beauty, Vegan Charcoal Infused Beauty Sponge. So that concludes my box that I got. So yeah, when you do those add-ons, sometimes you get like boxes, like sometimes they do like old premium boxes, old base boxes, not premium boxes, old base boxes that I guess they had like extra left over that already passed. So they do that. And like I said, there was 3 choices, a Morphe one, a Marc Jacob one, and a Smashbox one. I got the Marc Jacob one. But to be honest, I could have did without it because I wasn't thrilled about like the orange color. I wasn't thrilled about the brown color, and I definitely wasn't thrilled about the lavender color. So, I mean, I'll make it work, but I wasn't thrilled to get them. So I could have did without the box, to be honest. I kind of feel like those were like the leftover colors that people don't want. If you want my honest opinion. The only thing I was really excited about from that was the Billion Dollar Beauty Sponge. So excited to try that out. Speaking of sponges, I got this Morphe sponge. It's a highlight and contour sponge. Then this sponge was originally like $30. But because you get everything like practically 80% off, I want to say the sponge was only $16 now, and which was still actually expensive for Beauty Blender, even though the actual Beauty Blender this sponge is $20. But I think it was on sale for like $16 or something like that. I think it was $16. So I'm like, I need to try this Beauty Blender out because I think this is the most expensive Beauty Blender because Beauty Blender alone is $20. This one retails for $30. I've never heard of Pop Sonic Fusion before. Sonic Makeup Blender. Oh wait, hold up. Oh my god, it's pulsating. It has a thing on the bottom. Now, wonder if it's so expensive. I didn't even know they had beauty blenders like that. Oh, so there's a thing on the bottom. Oh my! You guys hear that? Wow! 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 It pulsates. Wow. Okay, I take it back. Now I see why it's $30. Wow. It pulsates on its own. Never knew this existed. Thank you, Boxycharm, for this. But I just got it because I'm like, I need to try out this $30 beauty. But how, like, when you clean it, will it not affect it, like, when you clean it? Because clearly there's batteries in here. I wonder how you wash this. Very excited to try this. It says, this fusion helps ensure a smooth and effortless blend of makeup and foundation. Wow. Who would have thought? Next thing I bought was a Dose of Colors eyeshadow. It was like super cheap with the sale price, so I don't have any of those color eyeshadows. I have some of their liquid lips, but no eyeshadows, so it's like a pretty brown neutral color. Oh, sorry, blocking it. It's like a pretty bronzy brown eyeshadow. So, I think I'll try it out. It was on sale. You guys know I love brushes. So, I got this in one of my other pop-up or add-ons with Boxycharm. This brush was really nice. I use it. It's like an angle brush. I use it for my brows. Let me see if I can take it off the plastic so you guys can see it better. This is what the brush looks like. It's very nice. So now I have two. And then I got more brushes because you guys know I love brushes. This, the Morphe brush set. It was a 4-piece eye brush collection set. I think this was, they gave this away. I don't know if it was in a premium box or whatever box. I was very upset that I didn't get this. But for my Boxy Luxe, I got these. So I'm excited. I guess I didn't get that one, so this one, they felt like, let me give her brushes for once now. So I got these. This was in my Boxy Luxe video. If you guys want to see what else I got in my Boxy Luxe video, I'll link it down in my description below. I just posted that one yesterday, but was super excited for this in their pink. So very happy for that. And now I have more brushes. You can never have too much brushes. So, yeah, that's everything I bought for my Boxycharm add-on. What did you guys get for add-on? Let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed my add-on haul from Boxycharm. Thank you guys so much for watching and passing by my channel. If you liked my video and you want to show me some love and support, give me some thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel as well, if you like my video, then please consider subscribing and showing your girl some love. It's greatly appreciated. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Alrighty guys, that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next video.